So here the Gauss Seidel, using the Gauss Seidel method, we are going to find out the voltage and bus angle at different PQ buses. So the system is given such a way that all three buses are PQ except the slack bus. Here the slack bus is given for the bus 1. For bus 1 it is slack bus and all three are PQ buses. We are going to find out the voltage at bus 2, voltage at bus 3 and voltage at bus 4. For voltage at bus 1 is given in the question. Because it is a slack bus, obviously we will assume the slack bus for flat voltage started. So slack bus will have always the maximum because it is very near to the generators. So in this system you can see that the line admittance are given. So line admittance values are given in this question, and we need to find out the Y bus matrix. That is the first step we need to follow for the Gauss Seidel method, right? So how to solve Y bus? So the question, once again I am repeating, we are going to find out the buses at first iteration of GS. So these GS means Gauss Seidel will end only at if it is converging. What is converging? The new iteration and the old iteration values should be minimum or should be negligibly 0, right? So if that is happening, then conversion is formed, then we will stop the iteration process or we stop the Gauss Seidel method and we will find out the solution. But that can be done efficiently with computer system. But for solving in AND, they are asking us to find out at first iteration how much value we will get for voltage and bus angle at PQ buses. So this is the question, and they are telling all are PQ buses. So for all, or if it is all or PQ bus, then what will be your voltage equation? So the voltage equation for all buses is nothing but, for PQ bus is nothing but, for PQ bus, I hope you have written the question, so I am changing the slide. For PQ bus, VI for the any given bus, say we need to find out 2, we need to find out for 2, we need to find out for 3, we need to find out for 4. So for any I may be replaced with 2 or 3 or 4. So VI is equal to PI power of that bus minus reactive power of that bus divided by, if I take 1 YII. What is II? YII? What is YII? Is nothing but admittance of that particular bus, means self admittance. YII means self admittance. In Y matrix you can see IA is nothing but self, and this will be divided with VI R. What is R? Just remember what is R. R is nothing but the old iteration value. R plus 1 means, what is R plus 1? In last class we have clearly discussed about R and R plus 1. What is R plus 1? Please recall it. R plus 1 is nothing but new iteration value or next upcoming iteration value that you are going to find out, and this voltage for new iteration. This voltage equation is for new iteration. If you want to find out, or if you want to going from one iteration to another iteration, this equation should be updated. So that is what the given, right? And the summation of before ith and after ith. So before ith, say for example, if you are going to find out voltage for 2, so the before value is 1 and after value is 3, 4. So 2 I don't want, but I want before and after values. So the summation will be k is equal to 1 to I minus 1. I minus 1 means, suppose if 2 is your I minus 1 will be 1. If 3 is your I, then I minus 1 will be 2, 1. So all 1, 2 will come, but 3 will not come, and this value 1 by YI I have taken outside, so it will be YIK into VK, and this VK is updated value. that you are going to find out. This is what my aim is. This is the updated value. This you are going to find out, right? Minus, and after I means k will be, k is equal to I plus 1. I plus 1 means, suppose if 2 is your I, then I plus 1 will be 3, 4 up. It will start from 3 and it will end up at 4. So I plus 1 up to n, up to this is n. N here is 4. So up to 4 it will go, and this is also y I k, and here this vk will be the old value, old iteration value. So this is the equation. We know how this derived also, because in last class we have clearly see how it is derived. So if you need to find out voltage at all buses at first iteration, so they are telling us to find out first iteration. So initial iteration, if r is equal to 0, the new iteration will be r plus 1. So this is first or starting, and the first iteration will be 1, nothing but 1, because r is equal to 0, then it will be 1. So first iteration, these two things we need to find out. So this is what the question is given, right? Okay, so voltage for bus 1 is already given, it is known. We need to find out what is this, what is this, and what is this. This is the unknown quantity for PQ. For all PQ buses, the known quantity is P and Q. The unknown quantity, or what unspecified values are voltage at different buses. So these things you need to find out. So that is what the question. And how many iterations you need? How many iterations you need? Please tell me. How many iteration? Only one iteration you need to find. So one iteration is r plus 1 is nothing but 1, you need to find out. If that is the case, so 1 I don't want, I need from 2. So my I is 2, my first value I is 2. Before going to that, I need y bus for this system, then only I can able to solve these things, right? So you are going to tell the y bus matrix. So bus admittance matrix you are going to form. Okay, I will write here. So y bus is equal to, you are going to tell this one by one. So what will be your y11? So it will be y bus is equal to y11 or y11, y12, y13, y14, and this is y21, y22, y23, y24, and this is y31, y32, y33, y34, y41, y42, y43, y44. You are going to tell this value. What will be your y11? From this y11, this is this admittance, and this admittance is given to bus 1. So what will be your y11? Take your calculator and tell me the final value soon. Please take the calculator and do addition this. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So obviously y11 will be this value, y11 will be 3 minus j9, and y12 is nothing but the admittance between line 1 and 2. What is admittance between line 1 and 2? Tell me please. Unmute yourself or put it in the chat box. Thomas, please tell me what is y12. Just I am filling the y bus matrix. Vinod Chaudhary, we need to, that is correct, but in y bus matrix all non-diagonal element we need to add a minus in it. So we need to add minus here. So because it is not self, it is mutual, so we need to add a minus here, then minus 2 plus 6 j. And what about y13? Just this is old problem in first unit, whatever we solved for y bus, same thing, because directly they are given the admittance value in the question. So directly I am just picking and dropping here. So y13 is nothing but y13 here. Again this will be minus, so it will be minus 1 plus 3j or j3, okay, 3j. And y14, what is y14 value? Y14 value 0, because there is no any line between 1 and 4, right? A and B total 29. Okay, so there is no any between 1 and 4, so obviously this will be 0. So like that, if you fill all these y bus, I will write you later you do. So this will be up, this off diagonal element will be same. So this will be minus 2 plus 6j, and y22. Y22 is nothing but the total admittance at this bus 2. So it is nothing but add this and add this, you will get a value 3.66 minus j11. Here you need to, you don't want to add any minus in that. Okay, so here off diagonal again between 2 and 3. 2 is this and 3 is this, so this is the element you will get. So it is minus, so minus 0.66 plus 2j, and this is minus 1 plus j3, and then this is minus 1 plus j3 because both are diagonal, and this is minus 0.66 plus 2j, and this is self here, and 3.66 minus j11, and this is minus 2 plus j6. Just fill this y bus matrix, you can get easily this y bus, because already it is admittance, directly they are given the value. So this is 0, and this is minus 1 plus j3, and this is minus 2 plus j6, and this is 3 minus j9. So this is your y bus matrix. So write down this y bus, because I am going to change the paper, you are going to tell the y bus later. Please take down this y bus in your hand. I hope you are ready with this y bus. And in this equation also, we are going to solve this equation with this y bus value. Is that clear? Just I derived the y bus from the given system. Very simple. First step is this one. Next, we know that the entire bus is PQ. So this is the equation going to be solved for finding out the VI. Actually, we need to solve this equation for n number of iterations until it get converged, but I am not going to do this in this problem, because in question itself they are clearly mentioned. You don't want to solve all the problems, all the iterations, but you give the value of voltage whatever you are finding at the first iteration, whatever the values you find out at the first iteration. So only one iteration is enough. The question is given such a way that I hope everyone wrote this in your note, because I want to recall this. Okay, so now I am going to solve voltage at bus 2. So voltage at bus 2, what is my I here? For voltage and angle at bus 2, first thing I am going to find. So now because of that, my I is equal to, what is my I in this? I is, what is my I? Please tell me. Because it is bus 2, so I is nothing but what? Students, please unmute, and yeah, it is 2. Vinod Chaudhary, it is 2, and some girl listed 2. Yes, I is 2. And 0th iteration, what is the value I will consider? For 0th iteration, my old value is this one, PKR, and here also R, old value in conjugate. So this 2 will be 1, correct? Old value will be 1 because of they are telling us to assume flat voltage start. So flat voltage start means we will always assume it as 1, correct? So this value and this value will be 1. This is in conjugate, so it is 1 minus J0, and this is 1. So all these things will be become 1. Let derive. Okay. So for first 0th iteration, I know I don't want to do directly. I am going to first iteration, or after initial iteration. New iteration is I am replacing this I with this 2 because I want to find out the voltage at 2, and the iteration number is R is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. This is first iteration. Is that clear? Is that clear? And just a minute, I will fold so that it is easy to. I think it is visible now, right? Both. You are going to fill this thing. And for 2, I need to find out YII. What is I here? What is I here? It is 2, right? They are getting. So here I is what? YI is 2. What is Y22? Y22 value is what? YI is 2. So YI is 22. So what is Y22 value here? 3.66 minus J11 is the Y22 value. Am I right? Am I right? Students, please respond, then only I can able to proceed in next step. If you are not getting, it is waste of telling all these things. Please respond, what is Y22? You can unmute, you can respond to me. Jaideep and others, please tell me what is Y22 value here. From this Y bus, what is Y22? This you understand, right? Y22 is nothing but this value, you understand, right? Then just I am filling this 1 divided by Y22 is what? 3.66 minus J11 is my this value. I filled this. Any doubt up to this? Nothing. And what is PI? Here I is 2. What is PI? Then PI is 0.5, right? 0.5, and minus QI is, what is QI? QI is minus 0.2. So minus into minus it will be plus. So J is 0.2. Is that clear? I just filled this 2. Here P value is 0.5, Q value is minus 0.2. Just I applied this value here, and then divided by VI or conjugate. So VI or volt value, what we are assumed? Flat voltage start value. What is flat voltage start value? V0 is nothing but minus J0. This is your starting value, right? This is your starting value. So then here also, students, if you are not responding to me parallelly, and then if you are not understanding this thing, you should not get confused while writing the exam, because we are all in online mode. If you are not responding to me, I will not see your response. I can't able to find out whether you understand or not. So please try to respond me, answer me. Whatever the question I am asking, just answer me. Then only the class will be interactive. Otherwise, it will be monotonic. Please try to respond me. Here VI value is nothing but the flat voltage slack values. It's nothing but 1 minus J0. So I covered this up to this. And what is this summation? This summation is nothing but I minus 1 value. I minus 1 is what? I is 2, minus 1 is 1. So here I minus 1 is nothing but this actual slack bus only will come, right? Slack bus value only I need to fill. Then For this slack bus, what is IK? IK is 1, so this is 2. I is 2, K is 1. So Y21. What is Y21 value here? Y21 value is this one, because I is 2, K is 1. So I2 value is this one. So where it is? It is nothing but minus 2 plus J6. Minus 2 plus J6, right? And that I am writing here minus 2 plus J6, just nothing but Y21 value. This is nothing but Y21 value. Why K is 1? Because the I is not going beyond the value. So I is always whatever the value you are taking here, it is 2. So 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So only 1 I will get. After that, no summation for me. Then what is VK R plus 1? What is VK R plus 1 here? R plus 1 is nothing but the voltage. So the voltage at this bus. So what is the voltage they are given in this slack bus? So the voltage of this slack K is nothing but 1. So V1 is nothing but this voltage. So what is the voltage they are given here? Please tell me what is the voltage. That is nothing but 1.04. Yes, that is nothing but 1.04. Clear? This is 1.04. So we filled this. After that, any value is there? Nothing, because the maximum we reached here. I minus 1 is the maximum, nothing but only 1. So this is the new value we need to find. So the new value is already given for first V1 bus. So I am writing V1 bus, and then minus this value. What is this? It's starting from I plus 1. Starting from I plus 1. What is I? 2. And 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So K will be always 3. And then after completing 3, it will go 4. So first we will do with 3. So what is 3 here? 3 is nothing but this value, and I is 2. So here I need to find out Y23. This is what the first summation will come, because it is 2 plus 1 is 3. I put 3 here, and I we already know 2. So Y23. What is Y23 value? What is Y23 value? This is Y23 value. What is this? This is Y23 value. This I am going to fill here. So it will come minus 0.666 plus J2. So this I filled, YIK I filled, and VKR value. What is VKR? This is volt. What we have considered the volt value? Initial for R, it is 1, right? It is 1, because they are telling us to, for first iteration we always need to consider some assumption value. So we are assuming the whole iteration value as 1. That's all. And the summation, next summation will come. So up to n, right? So already 3 we done, and we up to n. N is nothing but up to 4 we need to do. So next will be Y24. So what will be your Y24 value? Y24 value, tell me. Y24 value is nothing but minus 1 plus J3. So minus of minus 1 plus J3. And what is volt value? Volt VK value, we are assuming 1 for the first iteration. We are assuming 1 for the first iteration. That's all. We found, or we filled the equation now. As per the derivation we done for Gauss Seidel for PQ bus, we have filled all the value. Now if you are trying to solve this just by using the calculator, in calculator just fill all this value, and you will get V21 value is equal to 1.019 plus J 0.46 per unit. So we got voltage and angle for V2. at first, at iteration number 1, at iteration number 1 for voltage 2, here is this value is filled for first iteration is this value, angle of 0.46 and voltage is 1.09. At bus number 1, they are given in the question because it is a slack, it is nothing but nearly 1 and angle is 0. So PQ bus angle is 0.46. Good. So we found out for this bus the value we find out. Next, we are going to solve for voltage for the same iteration. Still iteration not completed, because when iteration will complete, if you done all the buses, then only it will go to second iteration. Still we are in the first iteration only. But we are finding out in first iteration the voltage at bus 3. So still it is in first iteration, but the voltage value I need to find out 3. Now what is my I value? Now Now I is 3. Good. Now you fill this y I will be what now y I it is y33, right? My y I is nothing but y33. So what will be my y33?
3.66 minus j11.
Exactly, very good. So this is my y33, right? So y33 is 3.66 minus j11 is my y33. Good. Next, what is pi? Pi is p3. What is p3 here?
-1.
Good. So it is -1 and then minus jqi. Jqi is 0.5 j divided by vir. This will be what? What will be this value?
1 minus j0.
Yeah, exactly. Good. 1 minus j0. Good. Very good. And then k is equal to 1 and it will go up to I minus 1. So here I minus is what? 3. So if you put 3 here, up to 2 iterations, so this value will become 2. So up to 2, starting from 1 up to 2, we need to find out this value. If that is the case, then we will start from 1. So 1 is what? 1 is already we done. The same thing we can put here. This is 1, right? This is 1. So same thing we can apply here. So no, this is not 1, this is 2. So 1 is nothing but the voltage here given. So yik, here yi is 3, yi is 3 and k is what? 1. So y31 is what? y31 is what? This is y31, right? So y31 is this. So I'm going to write this value and is -1 plus j3. So I got this one for v as k is equal to 1 and vk1 is what? They are given already. What is vk1 value? Vk is nothing but v1. So v1 is same thing as this one. I'm writing this 1.04 and angle is 0. So I don't want to mention angle here because I need only voltage. So this is for bus 1. For bus 1 we completed and still 1 is over, but I need to do the same thing for two more summation again for the bus 2. For the bus 2, what is I here? What is I here? I is 3 and k is 2. So what is y32? What is y32? Is this one. Y32 is this one, right? So it's nothing but minus 0.66 plus 2j. So I'll put the same thing here, minus 0.66 plus j2, and then what they are asking? V2 value. What is V2 value? What is V2 value? Just now we found out. This is V2, right? Just now we find out this is the V2 value. So that is why they are given R plus 1. R plus 1 means what? From the latest iteration you need to give this value. From the latest iteration you need to give this value. So R plus 1 is nothing but the value you found out in the last find out. So this is the updated value. So it is 1.019 plus J 0.46. Just multiply these two, then we completed this, because after 2 it will go to 3. 3 is not 3 is what I, so minus 1 alone, so up to 2 summation only we need to do. So we completed this. Then come from here, minus, I'm going to this summation. Here I is what is the I they are given? 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And how long it should go? Up to n. N is nothing but 4. So starting from 4 and ending from 4 means only 1 you will get. Am I right? Only one summation you will get. And y will be, I will write out this, y is nothing but 3, k is nothing but, what is k here? I plus 1 is what? I plus 1, k will be 4. So you need to find out y34 value. What is y34 value? This is y34 value. That is nothing but minus 2 plus j6 is for y34. So just write that minus 6, or sorry, minus 2 plus 6j. And what is volt value here? What is volt value? We need to assume for volt VR.
V2.
No, this is volt. 1, exactly, very good. 1, you understand that. So R is always 1 because we are assuming the flat voltage slack. So it will be, R will be always 1. R plus 1 will be the new value you got, the updated value you got. And R plus 1 for slack bus is nothing but the given. Other than slack bus is nothing but your whatever the values you find out. So this is always VR is nothing but the volt value. Now we got voltage at bus 3 for the first iteration. This is the equation we got, and if you solve you will get V31 is equal to 1.028 minus J 0.087 per unit value. This is for V3 and this is for V2. And next, what is our next value? Voltage at bus 4 also we need to find out. Am I right? Then VI will become now what? VI will become now 4, right?
V4.
Because we are going to find out voltage at bus 4 and same iteration, with the same iteration. Still I didn't go to next iteration. When I will go to next iteration, if I find out all the voltage at all the buses, so one complete circle I completed, then that is one iteration, and next iteration will start again from 2, 3, 4, again 2, 3, 4, again 2, 3, 4. So how many round it will go up to get converged? But we are not going to do in this problem. We are going to find out only for first iteration, power 1 only we are going to find out. Now tell me, what is my YII? YII is nothing but Y44. What is my Y44 value here?
Minus
Very good,
9.
very good. So it is nothing but 3 minus J9. J, what is that? J9, right? J9. And then tell me what is PI minus JQI?
0.3 plus 0.1.
Very good. 0.1 J. Last time also it will be minus, and previously, very good, yes. Divided by, what is this value?
1 minus J6.
Good. Minus, say, now you tell me, let's check whether you have understand or not. Now these summations will do. what is my k is equal to 1 up to what is my I, what is 4. So here up to how many iteration how many summation I need to do?
3.
Up to 3. Very good. Right, if starting from 1 2 3 up to 3 we need to end up this summation, and here what is your I? 4 plus 1. So starting from 4 plus 1 and up to 4, so it is not possible. We will omit this will not come for 4th iteration, or only 4th will come. Only 4 will come because the maximum limit is 4. Let's check that. I itself 4. Now tell me, come to this summation, what is yik? What is yik? What is yi then? Yi is nothing but I is 4 and k is, first summation is